Hello, I'm just going to talk to you about adding fairy lights to this ornament using hot glue. You take your fairy lights and you insert them through the hole in the back of our ornament, and then you just start using hot glue to adhere the fairy lights to the interior of the ornament. I soon realized that I kind of needed to put the next layer on this so that I could see where to stop the fairy light. So you will see me doing that here in just a second, or actually it looks like I did it, but I cut that out. So this took a little bit longer than using the 3M adhesive that I tried next. I wanted to, show this video as well as the 3M adhesive using, that to adhere the fairy lights. This worked perfectly. It just did take more time. You will see me kind of evenly spreading the fairy lights, around the entire back portion of the interior portion of the back light. Again, that was easy, straightforward, but I do like the 3M adhesive better.